This video is made for educational purpose only. All information is provided in good faith, however we make no representation or warranty of any kind. A self-research should be done before. If necessary, consulting doctor would be recommended. Welcome to Babyneed. This YouTube channel answers all your parenting needs. We help you in directing your way through parenthood with baby care tips. It can be do's and don'ts while pregnancy, prenatal development through our wide variety of videos, month-by-month development to health and nutrition. Welcome to motherhood. In this video we are going to discuss about tips for getting toddler to bed. How to get a toddler to sleep in less than 5 minutes without tears or tantrums. Toddlers are the most challenging age group to get to bed on time. They are at their most energetic and active, which can make it difficult for them to go to sleep. One of the best strategies is a bedtime routine. This will help your toddler prepare for bedtime by giving them time to wind down after a busy day. It will also help you get your child into bed because they will know what is coming next and they will be less resistant. Here are a few different ways to know when your toddler is tired and ready for bed. 1. The most obvious way to know when your toddler is tired is if they are yawning or rubbing their eyes. This can be a good indicator that they are ready for bed. 2. If your toddler has been playing outside, it's likely that they are tired and want to sleep. 3. If your toddler has been running around all day, chances are that they're exhausted and need a nap. 4. If you have just finished eating dinner, chances are that your little one will be getting sleepy soon too. 5. If you have just changed their diaper or put them in the bathtub, this may make them want to go to sleep. Toddler bedtime strategies that work for everyone. A good way of getting your child into bed is by making the bedroom a place that they enjoy being in. This could be with soft lights, calming music, or anything else that makes it more inviting. 5 tips for helping your toddler fall asleep easily. 1. Establish a routine for bedtime and nap time. A bedtime routine is a set of activities that are done before bedtime. It can include anything from reading a story to brushing teeth to having a bath. The benefits of establishing a routine for your toddler are many. A consistent routine helps your toddler know what to expect and when, which can help them sleep better. Establishing routines also helps toddlers learn how to manage their emotions and deal with change. Routine activities can help your toddler develop good sleep habits, such as learning how long it takes for them to fall asleep without being rocked or nursed. 2. Keep the room dark when it is time for sleep. A dark room is the best environment for sleep. This is because there is no light that can distract the sleeping person and disturb their circadian rhythm. Some people believe that a night light in the room can help children feel safe at night. But studies have shown that this may actually be counterproductive as it will keep them awake and stimulate their brain activity. 3. Keep the room cool when it is time for sleep. There are many reasons why a person may have trouble sleeping. One of the most common is that their environment is too warm and they are unable to sleep. The best temperature for sleep is between 60 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. 4. Use white noise to help your toddler fall asleep. White noise is a form of sound that is often used to help people fall asleep. It can be used for your toddler as well. 5. Place your toddler in their own bed when they are sleepy. You should place your toddler in their own bed when they are sleepy but not yet asleep. This will help them transition into sleep more easily and also give you some time to get things done before they fall asleep. 1. Place your child in their own bed when they are sleepy but not yet asleep. 2. Place your child on their back or side, depending on how old they are. 3. Keep the lights dimmed or off. 4. Give your child something to drink before placing them in their bed. On any questions or any additional information you want to share or something you think would be helpful for people to know, please share those below in comments. We love hearing all the input that we get from you guys as our viewers. For more information and updates, visit our website babyneed.in. Thanks for watching this video completely. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos and also comment your questions in the comment box below.